If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing amazing out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this example of what I like to look for when spotting potential trend reversals, especially in a short-term play. As pointed out here, we've got a lot to cover here, but it should be a pretty brief explanation. We'll go ahead and start by going left to right here on the screen. Up in the top left there, you can see an established downward trend. We are creating lower lows as time progresses in the pair here using the 1-minute candles on the USD JPY pair. First thing I want to note is how the volume grows weaker, although there are lower lows being made by the pair here. This indicates a potential weak downward trend. On the far left, we have that high volume spike and a breach of the lower Bollinger Band, a healthy volume, and that establishes our downward trend. But as time progresses on and the trend continues lower, you can see the bearish volume actually begins to drop off. This lets you know that there are less and less traders entering in on the pair here, even though we are making lower lows. This is a good first signal for a potential trend reversal here. Next, I like to look at the momentum indicators. This is our RSI in this scenario. You can see over there on that far left where we had a breach of the lower Bollinger Band, the increased presence of bearish volume. We also had an oversold indication on the RSI indicator. This lets us know that there is a strong bearish presence in the pair here. So what we look for in this scenario is a divergence as time progresses, much like what we did with the bearish volume. So you can see right where the bearish volume, we are starting to highlight a correlation here. Even though the trend was continuing lower, the volume dropped off, indicating a weak trend. Also, the RSI momentum was bouncing back into a normal range. This lets us know that the pair is no longer oversold and that we can start to look for potential buy entries upon further confirmation. So next, what I'm looking at is we also see another breach of the lower Bollinger Band there, right before our potential entry target. We're seeing all of these correlations, all of these indicators correlated together in this one area. This is creating a confluence area here, a fantastic scenario to keep an eye out for. Next, we want to look for our confirmation candle or confirmation signal, which can come in a myriad of styles. In this scenario, a bullish engulfing candle, which doesn't come too long after all of these confluences here. We see a bullish engulfing candle, and this is very useful for additional confirmation to enter on a buy position, as I just suggested. And you can see if you enter right after that bullish engulfing candle forms and closes right there, you will be in on a good short-term trend reversal play here. So all in all, I just wanted to go ahead and highlight this short-term trend reversal opportunity that you can use to your advantage by aligning different indicators together, much like what you see here in this video. If you want to see a more detailed but still simple and straightforward breakdown of how I find these perfect storm trading entries for more consistent long-term trading results, then be sure to check out my Informed Traders educational package, where I cover in a multi-video series exactly which indicators I like to use and how I combine them together to find entries just like what you see here in this video. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program, where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If those sound interesting to you, those resources are down in the description and the comments below. Otherwise, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll be sure to incorporate more trade breakdowns in the future as well. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day out there today. Catch you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.